All right, y'all gonna hang out with your girl. We rolling in the EWPPG mobile today. Those huge wings. Oh my goodness. Oh no, another. Okay, guys, so I'm going to do an In-N-Out burger redo because I didn't order my food right the last time. I don't want animal fries and I don't want that sauce on my burger. So I'm gonna go in here and try to give them a second chance. That's what we're gonna do. So this time I'm going to try the double. I'm gonna get a number. Is it the number 2? So that's what we're gonna get. No, number 1, double. I'm gonna get a number 1 with regular fries. It's not crowded in here today. Hi. Okay, guys, I'm back doing a In-N-Out burger redo, mukbang review redo. Look at that. So this time I got the double. Without that sauce, I got mustard on it, and I got regular fries, no animal fries. I got me some black pepper on my fries, and I'm going to use my ketchup. All right, let's get started. So what's going on, everybody? Now this looks like a burger meal I'd want to eat. You just have to know how to order it. See, I didn't know how to order it, so thanks to one of the subscribers for telling me that I could, just tell them to hold the sauce and get mustard because they do not have mayo. I really wish they had mayo, but that's okay. I'll go to Whataburger for that. Oh, Lord, I forgot to pray. Father, bless this food. I'm about to see what it is, Lord, body. Amen. Okay. I'm hungry. There it is, guys. And I got Dr. Pepper. I wish y'all could see it while I was eating. But then y'all not gonna be able to see. Y'all see it? Y'all can't see me as good, huh? These are better. Look at this burger. Now that looks good. Oh, this looks good. I love the way they package their burgers. They make them so inviting. All right. Who wants a bite? In-N-Out, baby. I wish Arkansas had In-N-Out and Whataburger. We do not. Okay. Let's take a bite. And I didn't get grilled onions, I got regular onions, okay? Look at that. A burger is good when the cheese is melted, okay? That's my opinion. If you give me a burger and the cheese not melted, that means the meat isn't hot, and you just threw the cheese on top of it. I've said this before. Bobby Place says, I'm looking at my burger, that a good burger should always have melted cheese. Remember that. Let me just give me a couple of bites. Oh, this is good. This couple across from me, the man and wife and his son, their son, They ordered 4 burgers. I tell you, that man, and he's tall and slim. He downed those 2 burgers so fast before my order could even come in. I don't know if y'all can see them. Oh, you can't. But yeah. So long as nothing happens, I'll be going home in the morning. Time to get back in the workout zone. I've been eating good. And I could have gone to the gym with my son, but I'm just gonna wait till I get back home. Do it my way. Look at that burger. So with Whataburger, the onions are chopped in little chunks, and you can get mayo and mustard. That's what I like, and they're always fresh to me. I'm gonna take it out of this little package. This is a big old burger. And some of you did say that the burger was too thin. So it is best to get a double-double. I won't eat all of this, but if you want a nice thick, because their meat is thin. One patty with Whataburger is thicker than this. The couple leaving. I know y'all can hear the noise, so sorry about that. At least they're not playing music. I don't have to worry about getting copyrighted. Yeah, those animal fries, I don't know what I was thinking, because you know I don't like a lot of sauce. Like my barbecue, I don't like sauce all over, so I just didn't order right, but this burger is really good. But I'm gonna say I would prefer Whataburger because I can get mayo. I'm a mayo kind of girl. And I don't like grilled onions on my burger. I prefer fresh onions, either purple. I would like to have purple or red, whatever you want to call them, but they're white. But at least you can get the onions fresh and not grilled. I think the lettuce, I'm glad they use regular lettuce, but it's a little too thick. They could take just a couple of pieces off. Whataburger lettuce is more chopped, it's not as heavy. But it's good. I bet y'all say I keep talking about Whataburger. I already had a Whataburger. I actually purchased one on my way down here once I got on the Texas side. And I've done so many Whataburger reviews, I didn't want to do another one. So if you want to see my thoughts on Whataburger, I have a couple of videos. Just pull one up to all my new subscribers. Thank y'all so much. Take me one more bite. I'm getting full. Okay, I'm back. So Rico's supposed to take me, I think like the boardwalk or somewhere, and they have a really good pizza place. I can't recall the name of it. I may add that into this video. I'm not sure. Excuse me. Or I may do that as a separate video. If we still go. I'm full now. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to eat some pizza. But I really wanted to come back and give In-N-Out another try. So this was my In-N-Out burger review do-over. I do like the burger. You need to order a double-double. If you like that sauce, you can get it. I think I'm gonna take one more bite. It's good. So, let me guys know what you think of my second review. I think it even looked better. That sauce on those fries just takes it away from me. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'll be back home soon, guys, in Little Rock. And come on, we almost at 13K. Let's keep it going, because you know when I hit 13K, I hope you're brushing up on your good times trivia knowledge, and I may even throw in some Jefferson trivia knowledge, because I'm going to be giving away cash prizes, Cash App in real time. You will get your money on the spot if you win, and I'm going to have some other giveaways as well. All right, guys? So thank you for watching this. I appreciate it, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye-bye. one's first time stopping by the channel, hey, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you like this video, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, press that red subscribe button again.